Welcome to Foxwood, where low-maintenance living awaits you. This gated 55-plus community features amenities that include a community center, heated pool and spa, picnic areas, nature trails, shuffleboard, and tennis courts. Common area and exterior maintenance are also included. This turnkey furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage condo has a very open floor plan, plus impact windows for your peace of mind. The floor plan is the popular modified Cayman model. Combo living/dining area has a cathedral ceiling and makes the condo feel even larger, plus a ceiling fan to circulate that refreshing Florida air. Adjoining den provides extra living space, plus a ceiling fan and a door with direct access to the patio. The eat-in kitchen has tiled flooring, a closet pantry and a Kenmore refrigerator, Hotpoint dishwasher, GE microwave, and Kenmore smooth top stove. The master bedroom features a large walk-in closet, another ceiling fan, and ensuite bath. The master bathroom has a walk-in shower, vanity with cultured marble countertop and tiled flooring. A sliding pocket door offers added privacy for the guest suite. Guest bedroom number 2 also has a wall closet, and ceiling fan, and adjacent guest bathroom features a tub/shower combination, and vanity west/cultured marble countertop. The 2-car garage has a laundry area with Kenmore front-load washer and GE dryer, utility tub, automatic garage door opener. This condo is being sold turnkey furnished, so just bring your toothbrush. This condo is very neat and clean, but could use some updating, and is priced accordingly. Foxwood has always